Now we will continue with our exercises. Okay, so page number 13, exercise A. Question number 1. R. Ashwin, bold and over. Here in this we have to rewrite the sentences. Okay, read the heading. A and an have been written before certain nouns in these sentences. Rewrite these sentences particularizing the nouns and replacing a and an with the definite article the. हमें इसमें सेंटेंसेस को चेंज करना है. वी कैन ऐड समथिंग इन इट. जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया है, अ स्टूडेंट इज़ क्राइंग. द स्टूडेंट हु फेल्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन इज़ क्राइंग. ओके, सिमिलरली वी हैव डन द रिमेनिंग. आर अश्विन बोल्ड एंड ओवर. द ओवर वॉज बोल्ड बाय आर अश्विन. सेकेंड, Sarthak has joined army with an aim. The aim to protect the nation made Sarthak join the army. Third, my sister gave me a gift. The gift is given to me by my sister. Fourth, Achin want to sell a television. The television of Achin was on sale. Fifth, Ahmed received a letter. The letter of appointment was received by the Ahmed. Sixth, Benjamin went to the hospital for an X-ray. Benjamin went to hospital for the X-ray of his leg. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे ए लिखा है वहाँ हमें द लगाना है, बट द इज़ ऑलवेज डेफिनेट. सो जहाँ जहाँ डेफिनेट नहीं दिया है वहाँ यू हैव टू मेक इट डेफिनेट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे एन एम दिया है, यू कैन नॉट राइट द एम ओनली. द एम टू प्रोटेक्ट द नेशन. ओके, सिमिलरली द लेटर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट, यहाँ जहाँ बिना उसके बन रहा है वहाँ पे बना सकते हो, बट wherever it cannot be made you have to add something to make the noun definite. Okay, now we will do the exercise B. Complete these sentences with a, an or the wherever required. 1. What a grand time we had at the circus the last night. Okay, grand के आगे a and last night के आगे the. We have read the rules now. Say in the same way we have to fill these. Second, there were seats arranged in a huge circle round an open place where the animals were to show their tricks. यहाँ पे लास्ट में कुछ नहीं आएगा. You have to leave it blank. Okay, बाकी huge में आएंगे a huge circle, an open place, the animals. Now third point, recently an exhibition has been arranged in the town. It was arranged by the district authorities to encourage the development of the cottage industries in the village. जहाँ जहाँ definite होगा we will use the over there. Okay, remember that. Fourth, the Kohinoor is the largest Indian diamond. Now it is no more in the country. Fifth, it is useless to devote the time to study when you are tired. Tiredness gives a negative attitude to the brain. Sixth, he told the peon. Particular peon को responsible है वो, तो we will use the. He told the peon that he was responsible for the theft, for he had failed to perform his duty. Seventh, a visit to the Agra cannot be called complete unless one sees the Taj, a crown of the world. 8. He has been of a great help to me on many the occasions. Once it so happened that all of a sudden I became seriously ill. 9th, freedom has assuredly given us a new status and new opportunities. But it also implies that we should discard the selfishness, the laziness and the narrowness of the outlook. Now we have completed the 2 exercise. We will do the third one. Tick the acceptable sentences. First, the beauty has its own charm. B. Beauty has its own charm. Here, second one is correct. Beauty के आगे the नहीं आता. Second, the India Gate is in New Delhi. India Gate is in New Delhi. First, the India Gate. Third, the Prince of Ramgraha knew how to rule the people. Prince of Ramgraha knew how to rule the people. B1, because किसी की रैंक के आगे, किसी की पोजीशन के आगे द नहीं लगाते, because it is always occupied by one. Fourth, the malaria and the typhoid are two different diseases. Malaria and typhoid are two different diseases. Diseases के आगे कभी द नहीं आता. Shyama has good collection of an 1 rupee note. Shyama had a good collection of a 1 rupee note. Good collection एक ही है. Good collection के आगे द आएगा. Sixth, Bajaj expanded their business to different parts of world. B. The Bajaj expanded their business to different parts of the world. B option. Seventh, he has been engaged in an useless pursuit of becoming an actor. B. He has been engaged in a useless pursuit of becoming an actor. Option A. 8. The iron has become an integral part of human existence. Iron has become an integral part of human existence. Iron has become an integral part of human existence. Option C. We trained our horses skillfully. We trained the horses skillfully. B. They were at a fault to travel by the air in the foggy weather. They were at fault to travel by air in a foggy weather. They were at fault to travel by the air in a foggy weather. Here B option. Exercise D. 2 errors in each sentences are printed. Correct these errors. First, the more we get, the more we desire. Second, match played between the India and the Pakistan ended in draw. Third, the Hindustan Times had a good reputation in India. Fourth, the East and the West shall never meet. Fifth, the boy who is staying with me is a European. Sixth, he was the first tabla player in the competition to give solo performance. Seventh, the accused met with a tragic end after 14 years. Eighth, the Kalidas was as great as Shakespeare. Exercise E. Complete these passages placing a and or the wherever necessary. 1. When I was young, railway journey was an exciting adventure. I had to get up early and have bath. But later, I realized how terrible it was to queue up like a sheep before the window to get the ticket. Second, little learning is a dangerous thing because it often makes us conceited. When we first begin to study the subject, it seems an easy thing. Third, few days ago, a boy called Harry was playing with his little sister on bank of the river Yamuna. The boy was throwing stones at something in water when he tumbled in. Fourth, of the man's earliest invention, we know very little. First may have been the use of stone to crack a nut. Next was possibly the use of stick to strike the enemy. Fifth, nothing gives a better delight than an occasional visit to the National Museum. Visit to the museum is an education in itself. When I have leisure, I make a point of visiting it, for here one can never get bored. Sixth, the thunderstorm is interesting and very grand sight in nature. In India, the thunderstorms are very common at the beginning and at the end of monsoon. Here yesterday we had the grand thunderstorm. Okay children, today we have done 5 exercises. The remaining we will do tomorrow. Okay, so complete these exercises and also once again read all the rules. Okay children, thank you.